Hello, my name is Pablo Rodriguez. I'm from Guadalajara, Mexico, and I'm gonna cover the topic what is the difference between balance lines or balance cables versus unbalanced cables. In this case, the difference between balanced and unbalanced cables, a balanced electrical signal, as we know, runs along three wires. One is a ground, one is a positive, what we can call leg, and a negative leg. Both legs carry the same signal, but in the opposite polarity to each other. In this case, one is positive and one is any noise picked up along these cables run typical by the common bulb lights. In this case, the electrical signal that flows through these cables generates some kind of electrical magnetic interferes. So in order to do this balance, that's why we have, let's assume in the destination is balanced, the receiving device will flick one signal and put the two signals back into polarity with each other. In this case, that's where the ground helps like a cover shield to balance the both signals. So this causes the common noise to be out of phase on itself, so it's being eliminated. The noise cancellation is common mode rejection. In this case, this is the reason balance lights are general best for long cable runs. That's why when we see, especially balanced cables, that they run in this case, let's put in a scenario into a concert. We're gonna see the microphones, this long line of microphones. They carry this kind of balance signal. So between all the interferes and also the interferes, the electromagnetic interferes, that it could be common also between the microphone and the speakers, so that can give a little bit of distortion and everything. It can affect the signal going from one point to another. So that's the reason the balance light are best known for cable runs, like I say, and in this case we call it the XLR and TRR cable used transmitting balance are for balance to device to the other. So that's the as we know, balance cables are less complicated, but they're much susceptible to noise problems. In general, unbalanced lines you should keep a short distance. In this case, we see when we see a guitarist in a concert using this unbalanced signal, he always is close to the amplifier in which he runs the signal for when they playing the guitar. So there's a certain common thing. The unbalance there not be more longer than 25 feet. They have to be under 25 feet. So to minimize any potential distortion or pick up other signals that they are in environment such in a concert or in a studio. So even when there's an example that they say that to minimize the potential node that may be carried to the signal to connect equipment, you may be able to hear a difference in the signal when cable length exceeds 17. So that's why 25 feet will see the maximum on unbalanced cables, but 17 feet you are in the red zone. Anyways, this is my guide to know what's between the difference between a balanced cable and unbalanced. So, thank you.